Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this very simple and easy rosemary hair butter. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you sit back, relax and learn. The very first ingredient you'll be needing to make this hair butter is your butter. I am using shea butter, but you can use other butters like mango butter, avocado butter, carrot butter. Any one you have available is fine, but I'm using shea butter because it is very easy to get and it's also really affordable. So I suggest you use shea butter or any other butter that you have. You're also going to be needing a mixing bowl. I suggest you use a stainless bowl like this or any other heat-proof bowl. We're going to be heating up our ingredients, so that's why you need a heat-proof bowl. We're going to begin by adding the shea butter into the mixing bowl because we're going to be making our hair butter in this bowl. So we're going to add it there, and I'll just go ahead and break the shea butter into tinier chunks so that it will be easier to mix up with the other ingredients while heating. Once that is done, we're going to move on to adding other ingredients. Next, we're adding sweet almond oil. This is almond oil. You can use other carrier oils that are good for the hair, like castor oil is a good recommendation. So I'm using sweet almond oil, and this oil is really good for the hair, and that's why I choose it. Now we're going to add our sweet almond oil into our shea butter. Another good oil you could use is olive oil. That is also very good for the hair. Now once we're done adding our sweet almond oil into the shea butter, we're going to add our next oil, which is coconut oil. Coconut oil also is really affordable and it's easy to get, and it's also good for the hair. This is cold pressed coconut oil, but you can also use the hot pressed coconut oil. It will also do the job. Now we're going to add our coconut oil also into our shea butter and oil mix. At this point, you can actually go ahead to add as much oil as possible. You can add other oils like olive oil, castor oil and the likes. You can add as much oils as you would like. Next on the list is our star ingredient, which is our rosemary. This is dried rosemary leaves, which is the major ingredient in this hair butter. Rosemary is really good for the hair. It can help you grow strong, healthy hair and prevent falling of the hair and so many other things. The benefits of rosemary for the hair, it is endless. Now we're going to go ahead and add our rosemary into our butter and oils mixture. What we are going to try to do is get the benefits of the rosemary into the oils so we can make our hair butter. So right now I'm just going to mix them up together, and then we're going to infuse this using the double boiling method. So basically what we're going to do is drop our bowl in a pot of boiling water. The trick is, as the water boils, our shea butter will dissolve and all the benefits of the rosemary will try to get that into the oils and the butter. So we're just going to keep stirring and stirring until everything is dissolved. We need the oils to grab the benefits of the rosemary. All the nutrients of the rosemary, we need them in the oils. So just keep stirring as the oil infuses. At this point, as you can see, our shea butter is completely dissolved, but we're still going to keep this over the heat a little bit more to ensure that everything is well infused. Now, after about 30 minutes of doing this, and we're sure that the oil is well infused, we're going to take this off the heat, and now we're going to strain this to get rid of the rosemary herbs. Now we don't want to make our hair butter with the rosemary in it, because if we do that, then it's going to leave rosemary in the hair whenever you use the hair butter. So we're just going to strain this to get rid of the herbs. Now once that is done, this is what we have. We have a well infused oil. Now this is beautiful. Now the next step is to put this in the freezer and allow it to solidify. We need this to be in a solid form so that we can whip and get our hair butter. Now you're going to put this in the freezer for at least 30 minutes or more. Make sure it's not too hard and make sure it's not soft. After about 30 minutes in the freezer, this is what our hair butter is looking like. As you can see, it's quite solid already. Now at this point, what we need to do is to whip this till we get a fluffy and creamy consistency for the hair butter. And we're just going to use a hand mixer to do that. You don't need to waste any of your hair butter. At this point, you can see that our hair butter already looks amazing, and we'll just go ahead to add our last set of ingredients, our cool down ingredients. First, I'm adding my vitamin E oil. This is an antioxidant. And lastly, I'll also add some lavender essential oil. You can choose any other sweet smelling essential oil. Once you add those in, just use your spoon or your spatula to mix them into the hair butter very well. Now at this point, as you can see, this hair butter is looking amazing already. This hair butter looks amazing, it smells amazing, and it will do amazing on your hair. Now next up, we're going to pack our hair butter into a jar so that we can keep it for use. As you can see, this product does not contain a preservative, and it also does not contain water, so you need to keep it away from water but use it up within a few weeks. The beautiful thing about this product is the fact that even though it's a hair butter and it is really good for the hair, you can also use it on your skin because it is also amazing for the skin. All the products used in this are also good for the skin. So beautiful people, tell me in the comment section, will you be trying out this recipe? If you watched till this point and you enjoyed watching it, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes like this. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye!